Do you know there's a new government regulation that now many cough syrups cannot be sold over the counter because cough is actually not a disease, but it is to clear the allergens, the mucus, the irritants, inflammation from the pathway. Now the same cough can be caused by viral infection, by asthma, by allergies, by acid reflux. अब इन सब different conditions में same cough syrup will not be able to address the underlying cause. इसीलिए homeopathy. Now in homeopathy, we study the pattern of cough, the triggering fact, the timing, associate symptoms and patients overall. यहाँ पे लक्ष्य या एम सिर्फ कफ को स्टॉप करने का नहीं है, बल्कि उसको अंडरस्टैंड करने का है.